Come back to subscribe, please. Today, we're diving into the world of BACHI, a crypto coin built on the Base blockchain. As a meme coin, BACHI brings a fun and engaging element to the crypto space. Our main objective in this video is to provide you with a clear and simple guide on how to purchase BACHI, so you can get involved with this interesting token. What exactly is BACHI? Let's start with the basics. BACHI is a meme coin. Meme coins are cryptocurrencies that gain popularity primarily through internet memes and social media trends, rather than having a specific utility or technological innovation. Now, let's delve into the origin of BACHI and its connection to the Base blockchain. It's important to understand the ecosystem in which it exists. Next, we'll explore the purpose behind BACHI's creation. Meme coins are often born out of a sense of community, humor, and of course, speculation in the crypto market. Finally, we need to analyze BACHI's tokenomics, which includes the total supply of tokens, how these tokens were initially distributed if that information is available, and whether the coin has any burning mechanisms in place to potentially reduce the supply over time. Let's dive into BACHI and its connection to the Base blockchain. Base is COINBASE's very own blockchain solution, and it brings some key advantages to the table. For BACHI, being on Base means transactions can be significantly cheaper and much faster compared to older blockchain technologies. This integration allows BACHI to thrive within the Base ecosystem. And remember, Base itself is built as a Layer 2 solution on top of Ethereum, so it still benefits from Ethereum's security while offering improvements in speed and cost. BACHI related to Shiba Inu? Let's clear that up right away. We need to clearly state whether there is any connection or if there isn't one. If BACHI was inspired by Shiba Inu, we'll explain the connection and how it relates, but if it's totally independent, we will definitely emphasize that. Importantly, we want to avoid making any misleading claims about any connection between the two. Acquire BACHI, one option is MEXC Global. We'll walk through creating an account, depositing funds like USDT or ETH, locating the BACHI trading pair, and finally, placing your buy order, whether you prefer a market or limit order. Alternatively, you can explore other exchanges, particularly decentralized exchanges or DEXs. Make sure to use reputable options such as Uniswap, specifically the Base version, or similar platforms. You'll need to connect a Web3 wallet like MetaMask or Trust Wallet, and then you can swap ETH or USDT for BACHI. When using DEXs, it's important to understand slippage tolerance, double-check the contract address to steer clear of scams, and be aware of the potential for impermanent loss, depending on the specifics of the liquidity pool. Let's talk about how to buy BACHI on the COINBASE chain, also known as Base, using a decentralized exchange. First, you'll need to get familiar with using a DEX on the Base chain, which is a bit different than using a centralized exchange. A crucial first step is setting up a Web3 wallet, and for this example, we'll focus on MetaMask. After installing MetaMask, you'll need to add the Base network to your wallet so you can interact with it. Next, you'll have to bridge funds over to the Base network. Typically, this involves transferring ETH or other supported tokens from another network like Ethereum. Once your funds are on Base, you can start using a DEX like Uniswap or SushiSwap, but specifically the versions deployed on Base. A critical step is finding the correct contract address for BACHI on the Base network. Make sure you verify it through official channels to avoid scams. With the correct contract address in hand, you can perform the token swap, exchanging your ETH or other tokens for BACHI. Finally, make sure to confirm the transaction in your MetaMask wallet to finalize the purchase. Meme coins, while potentially lucrative, come with significant risks. Their high volatility means prices can swing dramatically in short periods, leading to substantial losses. The meme coin space is also rife with scams and rug pulls, where developers abandon a project after raising funds, leaving investors with worthless tokens. Another factor to consider is low liquidity, which can make it difficult to buy or sell your holdings. Given these risks, it's absolutely critical to do your own research, often abbreviated as DYR, before investing in any meme coin. And, perhaps most importantly, never invest more than you can comfortably afford to lose. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Subscribe Please. To wrap things up, let's quickly recap the steps we covered for buying BACHI. Remember, this is not financial advice, and it's crucial that you conduct thorough research before making any investment decisions. We highly encourage you to delve deeper into the project, understand its fundamentals, and assess your own risk tolerance. Finally, take some time to explore the vibrant BACHI community to get a feel for the project and connect with other enthusiasts.